In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the engine oil on this Toyota Prius. Let's get into it. We're going to remove the drain plug. This is going to be on the right side of the vehicle using a 14mm wrench. Make sure you have a drain bucket underneath. Pull the drain plug out. Take the drain plug. You want to take the seal off. Get a new seal. Put the new seal on. Once all the oil's drained out, get that started. And we'll torque this to 28 foot-pounds. We're going to take the oil filter off. You can use an oil filter cup or a wrench. This kind of grabs it and loosens it up. Make sure you have a drain bucket underneath. Let that drain a little bit. It's dripped out a little bit, so just using a rag. And take the filter out and drain it. It's always a good idea to look at the top of the filter where the gasket is. Make sure the gasket's still attached to the filter. You take a rag and just wipe the area where the filter is going to mount. That's good. Take the new filter with some fresh engine oil on your finger and just wipe the gasket. That's good. Line that up. Once it's snug, then go another half turn, half to 3/4 turn. That's good. The oil cap is right here. Take that off. Then on the cap, it says what type of oil to use. For us, this is 5W30. Take a funnel. And this is going to take a little less than 4 quarts, 3.9 quarts. Take the filter out, put the oil cap back on. And then you want to start the vehicle. You may have to drive it around a parking lot just to get the gasoline engine to run. Then you shut it down after about 10 or 15 seconds, and we can check the oil level. Dipstick is located right below the air filter. Pull that out, make sure you're on a level surface. Wipe it off with a rag. Reinsert the dipstick. Wait 3 seconds. Pull it out, and then see where your level is. You want it close to this higher dot. So right about in that location there. And then you can adjust accordingly.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.